As the iPhone 16 hits the shelves, it brings with it a blend of innovative technology and stunning design. But with a device this beautiful, protecting it is a top priority. The right case can safeguard your phone from drops, scratches, and everyday mishaps while reflecting your personal style. In this guide, we'll showcase the best iPhone 16 cases available, covering a range of options from rugged protection to sleek, minimalist designs. Whether you prioritize durability, aesthetics, or functionality, we've got you covered. Let's find the perfect case to keep your iPhone 16 looking great and performing at its best. Number 1. Spigen Tough Armor. The Spigen Tough Armor is specifically designed for the iPhone 16, ensuring a precise fit that accommodates all buttons and ports without obstruction. The case is also compatible with MagSafe products, making it easy to use your favorite accessories without removing the case. This case boasts impressive protection credentials, including certification to MILSTD 810G to 516.6 standards. This means it can withstand significant drops and impacts, making it ideal for those who lead an active lifestyle. The integration of air cushion technology adds an extra layer of shock absorption, providing peace of mind when it comes to accidental drops. One of the standout features of the Tough Armor case is its reinforced kickstand. This design allows for hands-free viewing, making it perfect for watching videos, video calls, or following recipes while cooking. The kickstand is sturdy and provides a reliable support angle, enhancing the overall usability of your device. Accessing buttons and connections is a breeze with the Spigen Tough Armor. The precise cutouts ensure that you can easily reach the volume controls, mute switch, and charging port without any hassle. The tactile buttons also offer a satisfying click, enhancing the overall experience of using your iPhone. Number 2. ESR. The ESR magnetic case for the iPhone 16 offers an impressive blend of style, protection, and functionality, making it a compelling choice for those who want to keep their device safe while showcasing its sleek design. Here's a detailed look at its features and performance. Exclusively designed for the iPhone 16, the ESR magnetic case ensures that all functionalities are maintained through precise cutouts for speakers and ports. The easy-press buttons allow for effortless use, ensuring you don't compromise on accessibility while keeping your phone protected. One of the standout features of this case is its powerful built-in magnets, boasting a holding force of 1,500 G. This means you can enjoy faster and easier wireless charging, as well as a secure connection with any MagSafe accessories. The magnetic lock is robust, providing confidence that your accessories will stay firmly in place. Safety is a priority with the ESR magnetic case. It has undergone rigorous testing to meet military-grade drop protection standards, ensuring comprehensive defense against impacts from all angles. The specially designed air guard corners effectively absorb shock, which is crucial for anyone prone to drops or accidents. The case features raised edges around the screen and a camera guard lens frame, which provide enhanced protection against scratches and. Number 3. Ringke Fusion. The Ringke Fusion case features a durable design that effectively protects your iPhone 16 from scratches and minor impacts. While it lacks the magnetic compatibility of MagSafe, it still supports wireless charging, allowing for convenient charging without removing the case. The clear back lets you showcase the phone's original design, while the frosted coating adds a unique touch, providing a velvety soft feel. One of the standout features of the Ringke Fusion case is its anti-fingerprint technology, which helps to prevent oily smudges from accumulating on the surface. This means you can keep your case looking clean and clear, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your iPhone 16. The case is designed with practicality in mind. It supports various phone grips, providing versatility for users who like to customize their experience. Additionally, the built-in lanyard holes are a thoughtful addition, allowing you to prevent accidental drops by attaching a strap for extra security. Accessing buttons and ports is straightforward, thanks to well-placed cutouts that ensure easy usability. The case feels lightweight and doesn't add unnecessary bulk to your device, maintaining the sleek profile of the iPhone 16. In summary, the Ringke Fusion case is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional protective case for their iPhone 16. Number 4. SUPCASE. The SUPCASE for iPhone 16 is designed with both functionality and protection in mind, making it an excellent choice for users who want to enhance their photography experience while keeping their device secure. Here's a closer look at its standout features and overall performance. One of the most innovative features of this case is its quick access camera control capture button, which seamlessly integrates with the iPhone's camera functionality. This enhancement allows for faster photo taking, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts who want to capture moments on the go without fumbling around for the screen button. The SUPCASE includes a built-in aluminum alloy kickstand that offers multiple viewing angles. This feature is particularly useful for hands-free video calls or watching content, providing versatility without compromising stability. The kickstand is sturdy and well-designed, allowing you to position your device comfortably. Equipped with an N52 powerful magnet that delivers a magnetic force of up to 1500 G, this case ensures seamless compatibility with various MagSafe accessories. Whether you're using a magnetic car mount, a MagSafe wireless charger, or a desktop magnetic charging stand, the connection is secure and reliable. Number 5. FNTCASE. The FNTCASE for iPhone 16 is a well-rounded option that combines functionality, protection, and convenience for users looking to safeguard their devices. Here's a closer look at its key features and overall performance. Designed specifically for the iPhone 16, 6.1 inches, this case ensures a precise fit. It's important to verify your phone model before purchasing to ensure compatibility. The case showcases a sleek design that doesn't compromise on protection, making it an attractive choice for everyday use. FNTCASE emphasizes robust protection with a military-grade dual-layer construction. The hard PC back combined with a soft TPU bumper provides excellent defense against drops and impacts. The matte texture of the case not only looks stylish but also enhances grip, while the anti-slip design along the sides ensures a comfortable hold, reducing the likelihood of accidental drops. One of the standout features of this case is its built-in kickstand. This practical design allows you to prop your phone both horizontally and vertically, making it ideal for video calls, streaming, or browsing without needing to hold the device. The kickstand is integrated seamlessly, so you won't have to deal with a bulky back, maintaining the sleek profile of the case. In conclusion, choosing the best iPhone 16 case involves balancing protection, style, and functionality. Whether you prioritize rugged durability, sleek design, or additional features like card slots, there's an ideal case out there for everyone. Consider your lifestyle and personal preferences to find the perfect match. With options ranging from heavy-duty to minimalistic, you can ensure your iPhone 16 remains safe and stylish for years to come. Don't forget to check user reviews and ratings to make an informed decision. Happy shopping!